Hey guys, it's Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to have you join me in this tutorial where I want to talk a little about Figma and how I can make Figma work for you better. What if with a click of a button you can literally migrate your Figma designs to a live website? So I want to show you exactly how to do that. Design your Figma website, and then with a click of a button you can make it a live website, not just any type of website, but a WordPress website. And also, this website will be editable with Elementor. Let's design something new. I can just title this project Dapps tutorial. I think that's fine. So I will be showing you a plugin that will literally help you convert your Figma designs to a live website. This plugin also have template that you can easily use to build your Figma website. Isn't this amazing? So let's come to plugins. There's this plugin called UI Chemi. It's a fantastic plugin. This plugin can literally help you clone any website to Elementor, to Bricks, and also Gutenberg, which is still coming. Let's come to template here. They have quite a number of templates that we can use. So you can see here a blank template, a container, 2 columns. You can easily use this to start building your website. And that's not even all. You can see here that they have quite a number of pre-designed templates that you can use to build yourself a website. So if you are a UI UX designer, this tool will come in literally very handy for you to design website. Right now, let's just work with anything random here. So just clicking this right now, I have this design already in my Figma project. So let's zoom this fit and let's see what we have. So you can see this. So I think I can just move this here for us to be able to see exactly what we have. And I think this is super beautiful. So in your case here, you can just go all out, design an entire website. You can add more template here to the page and you can redesign, you can change text, change images, redesign to suit your style. I am not going to waste time trying to design an entire website. I just want to show you what's possible. So now let's bring in UI Chemi back here, and now let's come back to convert. So right now what we want to do is to convert this into Elementor, and that's what this plugin will do for us. So you can see by default here, this plugin has selected this frame, which is the page frame, and that's good. And we have a preview of our website here, so you can do a preview to see that everything is fine. The Elementor is selected here, so we will just we can drag this a little up so that we can see the button here. What we have to do to convert this to Elementor is just to hit this button here, and then we're going to accept their terms, and then we're going to convert this to Elementor, and immediately we have a JSON file here that we can download into a computer. As you can see here, this has been downloaded, and then we can upload this into our WordPress website. And I think this is beautiful. So right now I have a WordPress website here. So let me come to pages. Let's come to add new. Let's just create a random page and let's see how we can bring this into our page. I'll give this a random name called Dapps. I just want to make this template Elementor canvas, and then I would publish this page, and then I would edit this page with Elementor. Now inside Elementor, what we want to do is to use a template button here, and then we can hit this upload button here as well, and then we can bring in our JSON file here, and that's everything we need to do. And you can see we now have this JSON file here as page, so we can insert this into the page we want to use. Just as you can see here, we have a Figma design already published into Elementor website, and I think this is fantastic. However, if you scroll down here, we can see that we have some alignment issues, like this should be on a straight line. If you come back to our Figma design here, let's close this, so you can see this is on a straight line here, and then this, and then the title. But we have something entirely a little bit different here. We now have 2 here and 1 here, but these are just alignment issues. So you can also see this button here. You can see that this arrow is not centralized. So if you come down here, it should be in the center just like this. So I'm even excited that I have an example like this where I have some alignment issues, because once in a while you get to have issues like this. So all you have to do is to do some reworking inside of Elementor. So right now, if I play around with the width of the containers here and there, I should be able to align all of this to be on a straight line. And I think that's super simple and easy to do inside of Elementor. So that's it with this. I believe this would come in very handy for you. You can go experiment with this, with your design using this tool. And you can let me know your experience. I would love to hear back from you if you can make any sense of this tool. Yeah, I need to also mention that UI Chemy is a freemium plugin. So if you try to launch that plugin like I did, you just go to the plugins and then you come to your plugins here, you come to manage plugins and you search for UI Chemy. Before you are able to use it, it will ask you for a serial key and it will give you a link to go to their website. Their website is just uichemy.com. So this is their website here. So you can see here you can convert Figma designs to 100% editable WordPress website. Right now you can see the supported plugins here. I can attest for Elementor and for Bricks Builder working perfectly. So you can come to their pricing. So if you come down here, you would see that they have a free plan that you can use. It works with Elementor, and then you can do 10 export per month, one user, and then you can choose to go their paid plan and pay $19 for you to have access to using this, and then you can keep paying per month, and you can have an all access per month, and then you can use this for either Elementor, Bricks, or Gutenberg that is still coming soon. For their free plan, you can see here that no credit card is required for you to experiment using this tool. Go give this a try. If you also want to invest in their paid plans, I have their link in the video description and also a coupon code for you to get something better out of this. So you check that out. That's my time for this tutorial. If you find value for your time, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll look out for them. I'll see you in another tutorial. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. And until then, stay safe.